Hey everyone, Alex again here from First Option Bank. So today's tutorial video is going to be how to make an electronic funds transfer through internet banking. I've logged in already, so let's get started. What we're going to do is go to the top of our screens where we see accounts, third option down, transfer money. From there, we're going to select our transfer from. I'm picking my S50 for this example. And then for the transfer to, you can pick either one of your existing accounts or an external payee. If you click the link in this video's description, it will take you to another tutorial video explaining how to add a personal payee through internet banking. For this example, however, I'm just going to go with my S1 account. I'm going to select the amount that I wish to transfer, just $10. When, you can choose either now, once on a particular date, or recurring either every week, month, or fortnight. And then I can choose whether or not I want to have a reference on this so I can identify what it is on my statements, or if I want to add a reference for the personal payee so they know who this transfer is coming from. Because it's going in between my accounts, I'm just going to leave both blank. I'll then click Next. It will go to a confirmation page confirming all the details, make sure they're correct. Provided they're all correct, just click on OK. That'll take you to the final transfer receipt, saying your transfer has been submitted. From there, just hit Finish. Then it'll take you back to our homepage. As you can see here, the transfer was made into my S1 account. So that's it for today's tutorial video. If you needed any further assistance, feel free to give us a call on 1300 855 675. We're always happy to help. Have a great day.